This video is on deleting points. There are several different ways to delete points, so let's just run through all of them. One of the ways you can delete points is if you're in the plan view, you can select whatever points you want to delete, and then right-click by pressing and holding the screen until the menu pops up, and then click Delete Selected Points. Then click Yes. Now, let's say you want to delete all the points within a layer. I have my layers set up so that all the footing points are in one layer and all of the concrete wall points are in another layer, and so on. And that way all of the building component groups, such as walls, footings, etc., have their own set of points. And if I wanted to, I could isolate a set of points for a specific building component. So let's say we want to delete all of our concrete wall points. First, we're going to need to isolate those points so that all we see are the concrete wall points. To do this, click on the Layer menu. Scroll down to your point layers, and let's turn off all the layers except for the concrete wall points. So right now, it's just footings and concrete walls turned on, so I'm just going to turn off the footing points. And I'm going to turn off layer 0 in case there's any points that are in layer 0. Okay, now all I see are the concrete wall points. I'm going to use the Select Region tool and select all these points. Then I'm going to right-click and click Delete Selected Points. Yes. Now all the concrete wall points are deleted. Let's say you want to delete all of the points in a job. Let's go back to the project page so we can look at this job. Hit the back button. Here are all your points. Let's click there. This will bring up the point list. Select all of your points by checking this box off. Then click this button to get a drop-down menu. Then click Delete. Click Yes. Hit back, and you can see all the points have been deleted. Let's go to job 1. I'm going to turn layer 0 back on. I want to show you another thing. Okay, we can see that there's a known point here, and we know it's a known point because it's a triangle. If I click on this known point and right-click, I do not have the option to delete. If I want to delete this point, I need to go to the Known Points page. To do this, I'm going to hit back, and now I'm in the project page. Then I'll click on Known Points. Then I'll select the known point by clicking this box. And now when I press this button up here, I have the option to delete this. I'm going to click Delete and click Yes. The reason they do that is so that you don't accidentally delete a known point. And that's it for deleting points.